Hi, it's Dr. Rhee, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean your hearing aids like a pro. So most of my patients wear a receiver in the canal technology, which is the style that goes behind the ear, and then there's a small piece that goes into the ear canal, much like this. Okay? So what I'm going to show you today is how to clean your hearing aids like a pro. The first thing that I always recommend that my patients do is when you take them out of your ears at night, you're going to take a dry tissue, just like this, and wipe them off to make sure that any wax that could get into the device is actually coming off. And so you want to wipe off the tip, the gray part. Everyone has different hearing aids, but most people have some piece that goes into the ear canal, and that's really what you want to focus on. So the next thing that you're going to do is every night you're going to wipe them off. But I recommend that probably monthly that you actually remove this plastic dome, which you can kind of yank off just like that, put it in a safe place on the counter, and then there's typically a white tip that sits underneath it. Do you see that? So what you're going to do is actually take some wax filters that were provided with your hearing aids. These hearing aids use this type of filter, but there's one that came with each of your devices. And you're going to insert the tip, the empty side. You see there's an empty side, and then there's a new white side, white tip right at the top. So what you're going to do is you're going to insert the tip into the white center, just like that, so it can kind of stay up without you holding it. And then you're just going to lift it straight out, and it's gone. Okay? Then you're going to flip the stick over to the other side, and you're going to insert it just like that. Again, don't force it, just push it in, but it's okay. And then you're going to lift it straight out. Okay? And now you have a clean white tip. The purpose of these filters is to keep the hearing aids working. And the filter actually catches any wax or debris that could go into the instrument. So what often happens is you may notice that the hearing aids maybe not working as well, or it's not sounding right, or perhaps it's turning on, but you're not hearing anything out of it. That's a tip off for my patients to actually change the filter. And then the last thing you're going to do is take that dome and you're going to put it back on the hearing aid, just kind of wiggle it back on so that it's on like that. I recommend that you just kind of push it down and make sure it's all the way in. And that's basically it. So check back to learn more about helpful tips, and I hope you found this on cleaning your hearing aids like a pro helpful. Take care.